Khalil's wife, a U.S. citizen, was threatened with arrest when she tried to remain by his side during the arrest. I have a question about if you're on a green card and you're going to be arrested, do you have to be served a warrant if you ask for proof that you're of the arrest warrant?
If you are a green card holder and are being arrested, law enforcement officers must generally have probable cause or an arrest warrant to detain you. If you ask for proof of the warrant, they are required to show it to you, but it does not necessarily need to be in physical form. It can be confirmed verbally. However, immigration officers, such as those from ICE, may operate differently. They cannot enter your home without a warrant signed by a judge unless you consent. If you're arrested, it's important to remain calm and not resist. You have the right.
So let me ask this: did Mahmoud Khalil, did he have a federal judge? This is yesterday. Holds a hearing on Khalil's habeas corpus petition challenging his detention. Judge Furman had already issued a temporary stay blocking Khalil's deportation, ensuring he is not removed from the country. What happened to the visa one? I'm hoping they're not doing that with that one, because there really should not be any due process there unless the president wants to do some type of fake due process within the executive branch. In court, Khalil's attorneys argue the government's actions are illegal and retaliatory. CCR legal director Bar Zaimi states that Khalil's detention has nothing to do with security. It's only about repression. The U.S. government has taken the position it can arrest, detain, and seek to deport a lawful permanent resident exclusively because of his peaceful, constitutionally protected activism. Yeah, you don't have any violence here? This is a tough sell to me. Not even promoting violence or anything? They have not alleged that anywhere that I've seen so far. Judge Furman expressed concern that Khalil was whisked away to a distant facility despite having filed in New York, and he orders that Khalil be given at least 1 hour of private phone access with his attorneys. Outside the courthouse, hundreds of rally in support of Khalil, chanting for his release. So we're kind of fast forwarding to today. He remains in ICE detention, and his case is now going to be a historic case. Now we see that groups are warning that AI and immigration law, using AI and immigration law to punish campus protests, is setting a dangerous precedent, which it obviously is. The argument, you can't really argue against that. The argument you would have to make is that it's worth it, and I obviously don't see that. So here we go with this. Let me pull this up here. So the catch and revoke. I just wanted to see how many people were during the prior administration. Virtually no visas were revoked for student protest activity. And I'm not seeing, I still only see the one visa and then the one green card. Out of all that stuff that happened, that makes me wonder how many of them were feds.
The next clip is ready below. Welcome to After Show Carnage.